Welcome to our channel. So we are making some slime using salt, Colgate, and shampoo. Let's get started. First, I'm gonna add this Colgate. Just a little more. Just a little more. Okay. And then let's mix it up. And then our shampoo. Oops, I think to add more. Let's add salt. Add again.